Hey kindergarten, so today we are going to be using patterns to help us develop fluency in addition. So we're going to start off with right here. So we can see from over here that 4 plus 0 equals 4. So if I have 4 red boxes and no yellow boxes, then that equals 4. I have 4 red boxes, no yellow boxes, but 4 plus 0 equals 4. Now as we work through, we're going to be looking at the different patterns to still make 4. So we got 4 boxes all the way through. So for the next one, we're going to have 3 red boxes and 1 yellow box. As you can see, we still have the 4 boxes, but now we have 3 red plus 1 yellow. And like I said, that still equals 4. Okay, so continuing with the pattern, the next set, we're going to have 2 red and we're going to have 2 yellow. So I have 2 red boxes plus 2 yellow boxes, but my total number of boxes is still 4. Hey, what about now if I have just 1 red box and I have 1, 2, 3 yellow boxes? So 1 plus 3 still gives us 4. And as you can see, while this number, the number of our red boxes, is getting smaller, the number of yellow boxes is getting bigger each time. And it's matching up, and we're still keeping those 4 boxes every single time. Okay, my last one. This time I'm going to have no red boxes, and I'm going to have 4 yellow boxes. So following the pattern, we're counting down 3, 2, 1, 0 red boxes plus 4 yellow boxes, because not every single box is yellow, but it still equals 4. I still have those same 4 boxes every time. Okay, turning over. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at a couple of different patterns. So up here, we have 1 plus something equals 4. So we know over here, I've got 3 plus something equals 4. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. So that must mean that 3 plus what equals 4? Well, if I use my counters, so I've got 1 red counter and 3 yellow counters. You can see my 1 plus my 3 gives me the answer of 4. But in exactly the same way, if I switch it up, my 3 yellows plus 1 red also gives me 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so moving across to here, I have 2 plus something equals 5. So if I start with 2, how many more do I need to make 5? Well, I got my 2 red counters. And then that makes 3, that makes 4, that makes 5. So from here, I can see that 2, 1, 2, plus 1, 2, 3 makes a total of 5. And I can really easily just reverse that and write it as the yellows first. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 reds right here equals a total of 5. Okay, so down here, what we have to do is write a pair of equations that both equal 5. So we've already got 2 plus 3 up here. So how about if we start with 4? 4 plus what equals 5? Well, if we have 4 of the red counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add 1 yellow counter, that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters in total. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And I can reverse this. Have the 1 first, so the 1 yellow, plus the 1, 2, 3, 4 reds also equals 5. Okay, we are going to move over here. And this might seem a little bit tricky at first. So we have 100 plus 200, I'm talking about big numbers, equals 300. And it's asking us to find out what 200 plus 100 is. So in the same way as over here, 4 plus 1 equals 5, and 1 plus 4 also equals 5. If 100 plus 200 equals 300, if we just reverse that, 200 plus 100 must equal exactly the same thing. So 200 plus 100 is also 300. All right, my 300 in there. Okay, kindergarten, great job today, and I will see you next time.